event people, just for those. Others can skip this live because it's not about, it has nothing to do with you guys. So I just wanted to say that I see a lot of reels nowadays which which says how should a model be and the etiquettes to be followed on shoot dates, this, that, how you should maintain your body, how you should be very well spoken, and how you should treat everyone with love and respect and things like that. Nobody's making reels on how models should be treated, how you should how you should maintain a healthy relation with a model who's not someone you've booked and who's not your puppet. Okay, let's not go there. I'll make a reel about all that later. What I wanted to say is I get a lot of DMs. So as you've seen, I work with a lot of brands as a model, and sometimes I collaborate with them. So you know how this works, right? It's they pay us a certain amount and we give them the deliverables. It works like that. Very initial stage of my career, when I had very little amount of followers, I would do barter collaborations. But right now, considering the amount of traction I have, the amount of audience I have, there are brands who give me good amount of money and I work for them. Right? Good enough. Now there are brands who reach out. I'm not saying it's anybody's fault, but brands who reach out to us saying, hi, this is so and so brand, and we love your content and we would want you to collaborate with us. Now firstly, you cannot collaborate there are many different types of collaborations. Now I can't see your questions, guys. Abhi mat likhna because मैं नहीं देख रही हूँ. बाद में questions लिखना. अभी right now let me just get to the point and then we can discuss this. So would you be able to promote us? Please show some love. We will send you something. Now when you send us a gift, you cannot expect us to cater to your deliverables. Now if you send something out of love, आप नहीं बोल सकते कि हमें ये deliverables चाहिए. There are brands who send you gifts just because they like you. That's really sweet of them, and out of courtesy, me and I think a lot of other someone from the same background as me, a model, a creator, an influencer or a public figure would agree कि जब वो हमें प्यार से कुछ भेजते हैं, हम लोग automatically we put a story and thank them. Of course, we're all here to support local and small business, but then आपके small business support करने के चक्कर में, this is our bread and butter. We cannot just keep on doing this. It is really sad it's really sad that a lot of people, a lot of brands they see your traction, and of course they want you to promote their brand because one, they know you're kind of famous and they know you have a lot of traction. Now when you know a person is capable of doing so, first of all, you should not ask someone to collaborate on barter basis. That's really disrespectful. हम आपके भेजे हुए कपड़े लेके जाके दुकान में नहीं, we cannot, अभी barter exchange के का जो सामान है वो लेके जाके दुकान में हम दाल चावल नहीं खरीद सकते. This is our bread and butter, and you have to understand that people who create content, promote on social media cannot keep on doing it for free. And why do it for free? There are, आप छोटे नए start जिन्होंने करा है. Even when I started, I did a lot of barter collaborations. So accordingly, you have to ask for barter collaborations to people you think would do. Now one thing, friends and family is an exception. अब दोस्त आपको बोलेंगे हमारा brand है, हमारी website है, हमारा ये सर्विस है, इवेंट है, ये आप प्रमोट कर दो, वो आप फ्री में, बिकॉज फैमिली इज फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स आर फ्रेंड्स, उनको हक है. यू कैन नॉट से कि आपने वो वाला तो उनके लिए फ्री कर दिया था. यू कैन नॉट, यू आर नॉट समवन हु डिसाइड्स इफ आई डू फ्री collaboration for someone. Now when you see someone who has been working, and there has been loyal brands with me who are very well known, and I have been collaborating with them, and they respect my work. They have identified my talent or traction on my Instagram account, which works well for them, and that's why they pay me to promote their brand. A lot of well-established brands. So now when a very well-established brand pays me so much to promote their brand, why should I promote your brand for free? Now you can always be like, okay, this is our budget and see if anything can be done in this budget. You cannot just keep on. I see my DM gets filled and it's damn frustrating to see so many people asking for barter collaboration. We have an event, free entry for you. Nahi chahiye bhai. I mean, we are in a good space. We work so hard. So we are capable of coming to an event and pay for our entry and pay for our whatever, drinks and everything on our own. We don't need your free entry and 4 drinks and 6 drinks. Why? In exchange of promotion. This is really getting on my nerves, and it's so frustrating to see people asking for barter collaboration, event, deliverables. I mean, if you write what's in for us, free entry, bhai, what? You cannot go to a store and tell them that आप ये साड़ी ले लो, उसके exchange में मुझे दाल चावल दे दो. This is not done. This is not the right way. First thing first, you should know how influencer marketing works. What is the worth of a particular influencer before approaching them? If you cannot match up their budget, you should come up with something in between. You cannot just ask people to work for free. Kabhi out of, and sometimes I see I'm a model and I do shoots for a lot of brands. Now people need to understand this, clients need to understand this, that shooting for a particular brand is when they are paying me to model for that brand. Now that is not if I've shot something with you doesn't mean I will promote you on social media for free. So brands who who I've shot for and then I upload pictures, they call me up saying आपने टैग नहीं किया. मैंने टैग इसलिए नहीं किया क्योंकि आपने मुझे सोशल मीडिया प्रमोशन के पैसे नहीं दिए. There's a reason, guys, why brands pay me so much or whatever amount, pay me or other influencers, other public figures a certain amount to promote their brands, events and services on social media, is because they have identified that these people can get a lot of traction to their product. As simple as that. Now I'll just go through the questions once. A lot of बहुत चिल्ला लिया मैंने because I'm furious, guys. There are brands who firstly I don't reply when they say it's a barter collaboration. Secondly, when I know that you've paid a certain amount to a person who doesn't even have half of my traction, if you have the budget to pay someone else, you should never reach out to me for free stuffs and barter collaboration. What is this, guys? This is pathetic. Hi ma'am, big fan. Hi, hello, what's up? How are you? हिंदी में बोलो. ट्विंकल जी, अभी मैंने इतना बोल दिया, मैं वापस हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट तो नहीं कर सकती, बट हाँ मैं यही बोल रही थी कि ब्रांड्स जो हमें अप्रोच करते हैं उनको उनके प्रमोशंस करने के लिए, बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स हैं जो अच्छे हैं, उनको वो प्रोफेशनल है तो उन्हें पता है कि कितना पे करना चाहिए, क्या पे करना चाहिए, और वो प्रोफेशनली आपको अप्रोच करते हैं. और कई सारे ब्रांड्स होते हैं जो चाहते हैं कि आप उनके, वो सोचते हैं कि आप उनकी मौसी की बेटी हो और आप उनके ब्रांड्स फ्री में प्रमोट कर दे. सो या, व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन? Guys, if you have any questions, my god, what is this filter? If you have any questions, regarding what I just said. Hi Gargi, Jyoti Dhar. Hi Krishna. Hey Krishna. Hi ma'am, big fan, love you. It's me, darling Soeb. Hello, thank you for so much love, guys. Favorite hairstyle, SBS edits. फिलहाल तो ये इतनी गर्मी हो रखी है, so I make a bun. मैं ऐसे गुत बना लेती हूँ या फिर ऐसे जूड़ा बना लेती हूँ, क्योंकि बहुत गर्मी हो रखी है दिल्ली में. शिलोंग वेयर? It's I can't read your name. Some Shahir Khan. Shillong where? I don't understand your question. Your eyes are very beautiful. Thank you, Sanjeev ji. I have one question. Sagar. Hi Sagar, what's up? कुछ ऐसा क्वेश्चन रहा जो यहाँ बोलने लायक हो तो ही भेजना, नहीं तो DM. And I am tired of you guys asking me questions about getting married. I mean, kuch. I'm not saying that it's wrong. I understand where you're coming from. You know, आप लोगों ने बहुत सालों से मुझे फॉलो किया है. You know my story. You know my life. You know where I have started from. My life professionally and personal life both. But I personally don't like this question which keeps on coming about when am I getting married. I mean, if whenever it happens, I'm not some यार, मेरी लाइफ तो इतनी ओपन है सोशल मीडिया पे, टीवी पे सबको सब कुछ पता है. So don't think I'm somebody who's gonna hide and do a hush hush wedding and get done with it. You guys will know about it बहुत पहले से. मतलब जब मेरे को पता चल जाएगा, आप लोगों को पता चल जाएगा. So no more questions on शादी please. I'm from Bangalore. When are you coming to Bangalore? I used to live in Bangalore. Fun fact. Now it's been some time that I haven't been to Bangalore. So yeah. Sagar. इतना serious live sometimes is so mad and you go live and you wanna rant things out और आपके friends वो कुछ भी बोल देते हैं just to you know, it also makes you feel better. But yeah, मैं बिल्कुल ही angry mode में, मैंने आज तो live करते हैं और लोगों को बताते हैं कि क्या चल रहा है. आपको याद है हम लोग गुवाहाटी में मिले थे? नहीं, मेरे को नहीं याद है. आप थोड़ा सा बताएंगे कब मिले थे? So I might remember then. Harsh, hi Harsh, hi. की खबर? सागर, no barter collaboration, no barter collaboration. मैं सुन के थक गई हूँ यार. आप उदयपुर आए हो कभी? हाँ. So yeah. Hi. ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল এসেছো কখন? আমি ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলে থাকতাম. আমি কলকাতায় 5 বছর থেকেছি. আমার স্কুলিংও কলকাতায় স্টার্ট হয়েছে and I'm a Bengali, so yeah. How do you find people of Assam and do you have any friends from Assam? Of course I do. मैं शिलोंग से हूँ, तो आसाम के बहुत पास में बड़ी हुई हूँ. मेरे बहुत आसामीज फ्रेंड्स है. आप बोल सकते हो कि मैं थोड़ी बहुत खुद भी आसाम से ही हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा घर है वहाँ पे. चल कैरी ऑन. ओके बाय सागर. और what else? Hi Nikki, love you. When are you coming to Hyderabad? I'm waiting to work with you. Krishna, you have to call me to Hyderabad. I mean, I go to the south for work. I have a lot of clients there and it's really amazing working there. Hyderabad, aap jab bhi bulao, get me some work there. We'll see you. Hello, big fan, ma'am. Hi, Daksh. Somebody has written, Uttam has written something in Bengali. Ami Bangla porte pari na, bolte pari. You have to write it in English for me to understand. मेरा फोन भी ऑफ होने वाला है यार. Wait. एक सेकेंड. हाँ हो रहा है चार्ज तो. I hope you guys can see me. पता नहीं यार लाइट ऑफ क्यों हो गई. Okay, love from USA. Thank you so much. Radhika, I love you, Gargi. Hey, thank you so much. I mean, I was so angry starting this live. I was curious. You all can see I'm so sweaty, but you guys just make my day. आपका टेम्पटेशन आइलैंड का दोस्त कहाँ पर है? सब है अपनी जगह पे. लव फ्रॉम असम. थैंक यू. हेलो, हाउ आर यू? You're my favorite, ma'am. Thank you, Ratan Roy. That's really sweet. Really sweet, guys. Hi, Sachin. Can you open your hair? I would love to, but यार बहुत गर्मी हो रखी है. As you can see, AC भी shit on नहीं है. AC on कर लेते हैं. It's super hot, so yeah. What else? You're my favorite. Sarju Malhotra. Thank you. आपका नेक्स्ट रियलिटी शो क्या है? करते हैं. फिलहाल तो आई एम वर्किंग ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स. एज यू कैन सी मैं कभी कभी BTS डालती हूँ शूट्स वगैरह में. सो हाँ यार मेरे को ना वो नहीं हो रहा बैठने में कंफर्टेबल. Yeah, better. Khushi. Hi, Khushi. You're my favorite girl. Thank you so much. Hello, ma'am. और क्या हाल चाल? बस बढ़िया. सुंदर. Hi, बंदिता. Open hair looks so beautiful. That's why I asked. I know, पर इतनी गर्मी. Sorry. आपकी आवाज अच्छी है. थैंक यू. Sushmita Paul, you didn't reply. Do you regret anything about Temptation Island? Guys, for the 1000th time maybe, it was a show and you do exaggerate on a lot when you know there are 100 cameras on your face. So yeah, there's no regret, but you all have to understand that if it is something real, like which impacts you, then you might regret. But when you are there to, you know, to be seen more in camera, to get more view, then it is mostly not real and there's no regret. So yeah. Hello, love from Bangalore. Hi, Rock. Hi. Looking very nice, Mr. Noor Alam. Thank you. अभी तो घर पे मतलब ऐसे. What else? I think I'm done ranting. और अभी मेरा गुस्सा थोड़ा सा शांत भी हो गया है. You guys keep sending requests to join, no? So many of you. किसी दिन I'm scared. To join, no? So many of you. किसी दिन I'm scared also to make you guys join. पता नहीं क्या क्या बोलोगे. Oh, somebody has Umang Agarwal has asked how much do you charge for Instagram story? Yeah,